Building a proper Excel bookkeeping system used to take me a full day. Formulas, dashboards, categories, the lot. Now I do it in about 5 minutes and I don't write a single formula myself. In a live webinar I did recently on my favorite AI tools, I built one from scratch, live in front of the audience. Here's that demo. Excel. We all use spreadsheets, and I've spent a while trying to research what is the best tool for building Excel spreadsheets. And a lot of them boasted. ChatGPT, for example, said it was very good with their 5.3 model that came out the back end of last year, but I was a little bit underwhelmed by it. But there is one tool that came out in early 2026 that is absolutely extraordinary. And this is one you will have to pay for. So yes, we can have a free ChatGPT account. We can have a free Notebook LM account. This is a tool that you would need to pay for. But if you like Excel and want to use Excel, then this is a great tool. Okay, I have a spreadsheet. Here we go. And the best tool I have found for Excel spreadsheets is Claude. And they have a plugin or add-in, as Microsoft call them. Now, there is a ChatGPT one as well, so if you prefer, you could use the ChatGPT add-in, but Claude is the best. And how do you get it? You just open up Excel. I'm on the Mac version. And when you're in Excel, in the top, you'll see that on the menu bar is something called add-ins. And if this is blank for you at the moment, then you simply click on the link and it'll take you to a Microsoft page which lists all their add-ins. And you'll find ChatGPT and you'll find Claude. So grab the Claude one. Now you do have to have a paid for account of Claude, but it's only, I think it's about $20 a month. And it's definitely worth it if Excel spreadsheets are important to you, because it's going to save you so much time. When you click on it in Microsoft, you'll then be prompted to put in the details of your Claude account. It'll hook the two things up. And then every time you go into a new Excel spreadsheet or an existing one, you'll see in the far right the Claude icon. So if I open this up now, we'll see we've got Claude in the right-hand side of my Excel spreadsheet. And we can use this to analyze an existing spreadsheet, to improve a spreadsheet, to understand formulas. We can use it to build something from scratch. And so we're going to do exactly that. Let me just grab a quick prompt. You can get, by the way, good results with this with a fairly simple prompt. But the better the prompt, the better the results, the output you're going to get. So I'm just going to put Control V. And I've got over here now, I've got my prompt to build a simple bookkeeping spreadsheet for Maple Street Catering Company. And I go on to explain some of the requirements, what sheets I want, what it's going to do. And so I'll send this off, and what it will do is it'll think firstly, and it's thought fairly quickly. It says, I'll build a complete bookkeeping spreadsheet for Maple Street Catering. Let me plan this out. Here's my plan. I'm going to create all 5 sheets. I'm going to build the settings sheet, build the transaction sheet, and so on. And again, you will see at the bottom, it's thinking this through in steps. It's come up with a 7-step process. It's working through those, of which the first one is to create the sheets. Now, if you look at the bottom of the Excel spreadsheet, you will see we have 5 sheets. It's building this in real time like a human would. I just find this fascinating watching it do its thing, but it does it so much quicker than a human. So we've got our 5 sheets built already, and now it's building the settings sheet. If I click across, we can see it's doing the work already. We can watch it do the work. It's building the settings sheet. We can see the steps, and we can also see it's thinking as it's doing things. What I also find interesting is that as it does things, you will occasionally see that things look ugly, or that there may be errors, value errors and so on. But don't worry about that, because as it does this like a human, and it keeps going back and it starts to double check things. And if it notices something wrong, it might say, I've noticed there's an error on the transaction sheet. Let me have another look at that and try to fix it. And off it'll go and do that. Now, last time I did this, I think it took about 5 minutes. This is the Excel spreadsheet that we use for the bookkeeping early on. It built it in about 5 minutes. I don't know if it'll do it 5 minutes this time around. You do have to keep an eye on it, because it will every now and then ask for permission to do certain things.